In this video, I will show you how to add currency converter in Shopify. First of all, open your Shopify account. Click on the products option from the navigation menu available at the left side. The products of your store will appear. Click on the preview button in front of the product. In the product details, you will see that the currency is only in one language. To convert it to other currencies, you have to add a currency converter here. For that, go back to the home page of your Shopify account. Click on Settings from the bottom left corner. Select the Apps and Sales Channels option from the Settings menu. Then from the top right corner, click on the Shopify App Store. On the next page, click on the search bar and search Currency Converter. Different options will appear. Select any one of it. I will choose Bucks. Currency Converter Pro. It provides a free plan that converts currency in almost 160 plus languages, so I will recommend this one. Click on Install. Then the installation page will appear. Then again click on Install and your app will be installed. Click on the app from the left side and then click on Get Started. On the next page, you will see 3 steps. From beside the step 1 Setup Money Format, click on Setup. Some instructions will appear. Click on the General option from here. Now you will be redirected to the Store Details page. Scroll down and you will see the store currency. Beside that, click on 3 dots. Then click on the Change Store Currency. Now in the dialog box, choose your currency and click on Save. After that, go back to the Currency Converter app and copy this line, HTML without currency, and again go to the Store Details page and click on 3 dots in the Store Currency section and select Change Currency Formatting. After that, paste that copied HTML without currency code here and click on Save. Now in the same way, go back to the Currency Converter app and copy HTML with currency code and paste it in HTML with currency in the Change Currency Formatting dialog box. Then click on Save. Now again, go back to the Currency Converter app and click on Next I have done. And your first step will be completed. Now click on Enable in front of step 2. Now click on this line, Theme App Extension Settings. On the next page, click on the toggle button to activate the Currency Converter app. Then click on Save from the top right corner. Now go back to the Currency Converter app and click on I have done this. Now click on Enable in front of step 3. Then scroll down and click on Enable the app. After completing these 3 steps, click on the Currency Converter app from the left side. Now click on the Settings option from the right side. Here you will see that some currencies have been added. To add all the currencies, click on Select All Available here above it. Now you can see a long list of different currencies which are added to our store's products. You can also customize your currency exchange logo's theme, colors, position, and all the other display options. Now click on Save from the top right corner to save the changes.